start of the second quarter. CPU Golden Lions versus WIT Tangerines. Score 16-17 in favor of CPU. Prodigo. Rebound, pinasa kay Barangco. Ferrer to Barangco. Ferrer for 3, no good. Turnover. Deliena to De La Cruz. 3 points by De La Cruz. 19-17. Change favor to WIT. Vanessa. Jumper basket is good. 19 all. Second deadlock of the ball game. Pantin. To Manrique. No good. Siya pa rin, naka-rebound. Basket, 21-19. Manrique. Back to WIT. Ang Kalamangan, 21-19. Prodigo. To Barangco. Prodigo. There's a whistle. First throw, no good. Last throw, wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Deliena. Pass to De La Cruz, another 3. No good this time. Nakuha ni Prodigo. Same ball. Vanessa. Lock. Totalan to Pantin. Pantin fires. No good. Nakuha ni Ferrer. Prodigo. Getaway basket by Kevin Vanessa. Third deadlock of the ball game. 21 all. Sichon. Nasa kay Putalan. Manrique. Putalan. There's a foul. First throw. Basket. Last throw. No good. 22-21. Prodigo. Pinasa kay Ferrer. Prodigo to Barangco for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Ferrer. Pass to Kevin. JJ for 3. Wala. Vanessa. Follow-up jumper by Kevin Vanessa. 22-23. Balik sa CPU. Ang Kalamangan. Pantin to Sichon. Back to Pendon. Pendon. That's an air ball. Berto to Ferrer. Maverick. Back to Puerto. Puerto. No good. Short. Wani. Totalan to Sichon. Pendon. Basket by Putalan. 24-23. Balik sa WIT ang Kalamangan. Barangco to Puerto. Heroche. Basket by JJ Heroche. 25-24. 1-point lead by CPU. Pantin for 3. No good. Putalan for the rebound to Pendon. 3. Wala. Then, nakuha ni Roche to Puerto. Nabitawan na agaw ni Pantin. That's a foul. Offensive foul by Pantin. Vanessa to Heroche. Kevin. Vanessa to Puerto. Vanessa. Foul. First throw. Basket. Last throw. 2 for 2 by Vanessa. 27-24. 3-point lead by the Golden Lions. Pantin. Agaw. Puerto. That's a out of bounds. Same ball. Roche for 3. No good. Vanessa to Barranco. Basket by Kevin Barranco. 29-24. Alejandro Sichon. Pass to Deliana. RJ to Pendon. Steal by Barranco. Pendon to Deliana. Sichon for 3. No good. Foul by Putalan. Barranco to Puerto. Puerto nasa kay back to Puerto for 3. In and out. Deliana RJ to Sichon for 3. Basket by Sichon. 27-29. Balik sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng CPU. Muntik na maagaw. Barranco. 3, no good. Rebound by Puerto. Puerto. In the middle. Turnover. Deliana setting the ball. Nasa kay Alejandro Sichon. Another 3. No good. Maverick Puerto dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Kevin to Monfort. Down under. There's a traveling violation. 1 minute 32 remaining in the second quarter. Sichon fires a 3. In and out. Nakuha ni Deliana. Back to Sichon. Back to Deliana. Middle jumper. No good. Rebound by Soliano. Jesse. Kevin. Timoy Monfort for 3. Quarter 3 by Monfort. 32-27. 59 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Sichon. Ari si Deliana. Alejandro. Back to Deliana. Bad pass na kuha ni Soliano to Monfort. That's a baseline violation.
36 seconds left.
Deliana. Sa ilalim. Basket by Putalan. 29-32. 13 seconds remaining. Nasa kay Monfort. Fires a 3. No good. Deliena. Tumatakbo, Potalan. No good. That's the end of the second quarter. Score 32-29. 3-point lead by the Golden Lions.